Hey, it's OC Food Diva, and we're back in the test kitchen again, doing the third recipe for Katie Chen's Global Family Cookbook. And today, we're going to Peru. We're going to do the whole roasted Peruvian-style chicken. If you haven't had Peruvian-style chicken, it's amazing, so I can't wait to make it. I've had it in a restaurant. There's a restaurant in Santa Ana that specializes in Peruvian chicken, and it's delicious. So if you haven't had it, go find it and try it, or make it yourself out of this cookbook. So I'm going to show you the ingredients and then we'll get started. Here's a close-up of the cookbook. And we've got chicken, white wine vinegar, olive oil, paprika, kosher salt, oregano, cumin, freshly ground pepper, sour cream, lime, jalapeno, garlic, and then we're going to roast some leftover potatoes I have from another recipe. They're going to catch all those yummy chicken juices. Okay, we're going to get the marinade started. We've got our white wine vinegar, white wine, extra virgin olive oil, paprika, cumin, black pepper, and oregano. Now we're going to make the garlic paste that's going to actually go on the chicken, actually under the skin. So what I like to do is I like to take the measurements and then I double them. So if you don't like garlic as much as I do, you don't have to add this much, but I know it's going to be fantastic, so I'm not scared of it. So this is an easy way to peel your garlic, is by whacking it with a knife. It kind of breaks the skin off pretty easily. Let me cut the little nibs off. Okay. Just use the knife and flatten it even more. It's easier to chop up that way and get into a paste. So this is now when we're going to add the salt, and the salt's going to help kind of grind it up. I'm using the knife blade to kind of squash everything. Okay, it looks pasty enough for me. So in the cookbook, Katie says to put the olive oil in here while you're smashing, but you might lose a lot of olive oil on the cutting board. So I have it on the side, and I'm just going to add the paste to it. And I'm just going to mix it together so you can see garlic paste. Okay, we placed our chicken in a bag before I put the thing in, so that I don't have to worry about garlic falling everywhere. So the garlic paste is going to go under the skin. So I've got my gloves on. I'm just going to kind of make some pockets with my fingers. There we go. push it through from the skin. Try to get as much in there as possible. So I don't know if you can kind of see. You can see some of the garlic poking through the skin here. So we've got our marinade. And then make sure you put your plastic bag in a pan, because you never know when a leak will spring and the marinade will be all over your refrigerator, which is not a good thing. We're just gonna pour this on. Close this up. Try to get as much air out as possible. And then we'll kind of massage the marinade around the chicken. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to have it marinate overnight in the refrigerator, and we will cook it tomorrow. Chicken has marinated overnight. As you can see, all the yumminess is throughout the chicken. So we're going to go ahead. I also put the tricolored potatoes on the bottom here, so it'll keep the chicken from sitting on the bottom of the pan, and also seasoning these beautiful potatoes at the same time. Got our chicken. I'm just going to put the marinade in there since it's going to cook with the chicken anyways. Okay. Got our chicken, and then supposed to squeeze some lemon, although I have lime because the cilantro sauce, or not the cilantro sauce, yeah, cilantro sauce has lime in it, so I'm just gonna infuse that flavor into the chicken. So I've got lemon juice going in, and then we're just sticking the rind in there. Okay, I'm going to turn this around a little bit. Then we're going to tie the chicken legs together. Tuck these wings under a little bit. And then we're also going to put thermometer in to the chicken. Should put it in this way, so we can get a good reading from the thigh. And we're supposed to be cooking it up to 165. So this thing will beep when it is ready. Chicken is at temperature. I can't wait to bring it out and try it. Here's a close-up of our chicken. Look at that beautiful skin. I'm gonna start the sauce, and I noticed it's called cilantro sauce, but there's no cilantro listed in the ingredients for this, so I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. But otherwise it'll be a kind of spicy, garlicky, sour sauce. Okay, so that was the sour cream, lime juice. We've got a jalapeno and garlic, and salt. you can see, it's a little on the light side because there's no cilantro. And the cilantro would also add some liquid when it was pureed. So, but anyways, we'll try it. Hope you enjoyed this look at the Peruvian roasted chicken from Katie Chen's Global Family Cookbook. Don't forget to go get it where you buy your books. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Mahalo!